Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how my dropshipping business is achieving over $20,000 per day in sales. I'll be revealing the quickest and simplest method to implement this strategy so you can start generating sales as swiftly as possible. First things first, it's crucial to note that if you're heeding advice from the wrong sources, you might find yourself spinning in circles, wondering why your business isn't taking off. This video won't have any fluff or nonsense. I'll dive straight into the strategy, and it's up to you whether you wish to implement it. But if you're serious about e-commerce, put down your phone, pause those Twinkies, and watch this video for the next 10 minutes. I promise you, this will be the most valuable video on dropshipping you'll watch this year. All right, let's kick things off with the first step you need to take to get started: setting up your Shopify store. This can be a bit overwhelming for beginners and often takes a considerable amount of time. To streamline this process, I've developed an artificial intelligence tool that constructs your entire dropshipping store at absolutely no cost. It includes one of our highest converting themes and adds 20 winning products to your store. Click the first link in the description below. Once you enter your details, you'll land on a page like this. Here, you can customize your store's color, click Done, and proceed through the process of selecting banners for your homepage. Afterward, click Access Shopify and sign up for a completely free trial. You'll get 3 months of Shopify for just $1, an incredible deal. Once you're done, return here and click Done. Follow all the instructions inside. It's pretty straightforward. In just 12 minutes, your store will be set up, and we can start optimizing the product selection, which is a critical part of this process. I'll explain our winning formula later in this video. After creating your store with our artificial intelligence, I'll provide you with some tips and tricks to optimize your website. Even though we're installing a high-converting theme, the product page is crucial. Here are a few examples of effective product pages. Take this website, puppypad.com, for instance. They employ a specific formula that I'll break down for you to implement into your brand. Emphasizing the product page is key. You can navigate to products and add a product. While filling in the title and description, understand the structure that's currently excelling. The focus initially should be on the above-fold content. Here's an example. As soon as you land on their website, they provide valuable information about the product, highlighting why it's essential. For instance, dogs peeing everywhere? Protect your floors, bed, and couches instantly. This powerful statement adds value to the product, portraying it as more than just a pad for dogs to pee on, but as a safeguard for your floors and furniture. They list important benefits and features, establishing credibility. It's leak-proof, eco-friendly, reusable, highly absorbent, and equipped with an anti-slip bottom for your furry friend's protection. This store nailed the first checkpoint. Moving on to the next checkpoint: icons, unique selling points, and reviews. This aspect creates a solid first impression. They use icons to represent their unique selling proposition: guaranteed high quality, free domestic USA shipping, and hassle-free returns. This sets them apart from other brands selling similar products. Step 3 involves addressing the problem. Understanding their pain points and speaking their language is crucial. Consider the messaging on puppypad.com, never worry about stepping on pee again. This resonates with dog owners who face this issue daily, emotionally connecting with them. Next, introduce your product as the solution to these pain points. For instance, discover a faster, more effective way to protect your floor from dog pee. Showcase the product solving the problem. In this case, a GIF demonstrating how the pad repels liquid effectively. This solidifies the product as a solution. Moving on to the emotional benefit, convey how they'll feel after their problem is solved. For instance, solve the number one problem with leaky bladders. It's a blend of emotional connection and logic, simplifying the purchasing process. The structure continues with the functional benefit, before and after visuals, scientific explanation, US versus them comparison, a guarantee section, an irresistible offer, an FAQ section, and customer reviews. It's a comprehensive structure, crucial for maximizing your store's conversion rate. Implementing this structure might be challenging for beginners, so if you're struggling and have capital, consider our Quantum Branding Application Program, available through the second link in my description. We guarantee to assist you in building a profitable brand within 30 days. Now, let's delve into products. Products are the backbone of your business's success. The term winning product in dropshipping has become somewhat elusive, often misunderstood. My take is that any product can become a winning product if you craft the right messaging and deliver value through ads and your website. Avoid fixating on trending products or copying others. Instead, identify a target audience you wish to cater to and seek new, unique products that haven't flooded the market. Focus on niches, addressing specific customer needs. Additionally, pricing and margins are crucial. Ensure your margins can sustain advertising costs. Finding reliable suppliers is equally important. While AliExpress and similar platforms are fine initially, once you receive consistent orders, consider private suppliers for better pricing and faster shipping. Our brand building coaching can connect you with such suppliers. Now let's talk traffic. It's the lifeblood of your business. For those with low budgets, TikTok's organic strategy is a viable option. Create catchy, trending videos showcasing your product's solution. Alternatively, learning to run ads is immensely valuable. It's a skill that can turn $1 into $3 if executed well. Focus on creating eye-catching creatives. Understand your target audience for effective targeting, and master ad buying. If you're interested in a more detailed guide on ad buying, let me know in the comments. We also offer a guaranteed program to help you establish a profitable e-commerce brand within 30 days, available through the second link in the description. Feel free to drop your suggestions for future video topics. I hope you found this video valuable. Take care and peace out.